While we discuss climate change on a global scale, many small entrepreneurs in Manaus still face a very basic challenge: how to reduce their costs and waste without compromising the survival of their business. This is the reality of many micro and small entrepreneurs in the city, dealing with high costs, little technical support, and still trying to survive. It was in this scenario that my research on cleaner production in the food industry was born. We are living in a moment when climate change and environmental degradation demand new ways of producing and consuming. And when we talk about sustainability, we often think only of large industries. But in Brazil, 99% of companies are micro and small businesses, responsible for a large part of jobs and the local economy. Manaus faces additional challenges: strong energy dependence, high electricity tariffs, and limited infrastructure. This makes environmental efficiency not only an ecological issue, but also a matter of economic survival for these entrepreneurs. In this context, our research sought to answer: what are the main factors that limit the adoption of cleaner production practices in micro and small food businesses in Manaus? We applied a mixed questionnaire with open and closed-ended questions to 40 establishments in different neighborhoods of Manaus, including markets, bakeries, butcher shops, and snack bars. We combined descriptive statistics with content analysis to understand not only the numbers, but also the perceptions and justifications of managers. Lack of knowledge about cleaner production. 48% had never heard of the concept. And even among those who said they knew, they confused it with isolated actions, such as community campaigns. Lack of motivation and time main barriers. Lack of information and technical support third, most cited difficulty. Many believe sustainability is something inaccessible or too expensive for small businesses. A bakery owner told me he uses cardboard boxes to cover the floor on humid days because wheat sticks to the floor and delays work. This is cleaner production without him realizing it. A simple, low-cost solution that reduces waste and makes the process easier. Based on the results, we developed a simplified checklist inspired by integrated management system audits, but adapted for micro and small businesses. Checklist dimensions: preventive maintenance, use of clean technologies, material reuse, waste management, organization, and process improvement. This checklist helps entrepreneurs quickly see where they are already on the path to sustainability and where they can improve, even with limited resources. We concluded that cleaner production is still little known among small businesses in Manaus. Practices exist, but they are punctual and motivated more by economic necessity than by environmental awareness. Our work reinforces the importance of specific public policies, the role of universities in outreach, and the creation of simple, accessible solutions that can be applied to the daily lives of these entrepreneurs. If we want to face the environmental crisis, it is not enough to look only at large industries. We need to support those around us, the small corner market or the neighborhood bakery, and show that sustainability fits any size of business.